Hello, this is X Insane. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a custom domain with .tk. Now, I've seen on YouTube, no one really has a tutorial on how to create a custom one. They really only have tutorials on how to just change a domain you already have to a .tk, which doesn't really work when you want to publish it to Google because you can't prove that it's your website. Now, what you're going to do is just going to start out creating just whatever you want your website name to be. So, how about tutorial testing 123? I will put. You can create it however you want. And we do next. You pick on free domain, unless of course you'd like to pay, but I wouldn't if I was you. Alright, and now see, this is where most people, they just put in, the domain they already created from some free web server like Yola or Webs. But no, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing use my own DNS server. Just press right there. See how it has name servers right here? Alright, so now we got to get the name servers. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to go over to, we're going to go over to, what's the name of that website? Crap. There we go. 000 web host. Alright. Now you can use another web host. I like using triple web host because they have a good server. It doesn't go down a lot. Like you can use X10 hosting and stuff, but if you're a free member for X10 hosting, their server goes down like every 2 hours for like 5 minutes. So you can lose a lot of traffic. So now we're going to want to sign up. Now this is what you're going to do. Now the domain that you just set up, you're going to put right here. So let's go back, and here it is. Copy that, and put it here. See, now you don't want to choose this. It says, I want to host my own domain. Domain must be registered already, which is what we're in the process of doing. Or I'll choose your free subdomain, which is what they recommend, but that's not what we're going to be doing. Alright, so then your name, so it could just be whatever you want it to be. Alright, password. Whatever you want your password to be. I'm sorry. I forgot the email. And, yeah, you have to put a valid email because you have to confirm it. So just make sure you put a valid email. You don't have to put a valid name, but you must put a valid email. And then, oh, great, I love doing this stuff. What the heck? Okay, sorry about that. Alright. Whoops. Space dash time. There we go. I'm bad at those. And it's a capital G at the end. Okay, I agree. And create my account. Okay. At their building, says it takes, 2 minutes or whatever, so we gotta wait that time. Alright, thanks for choosing. You can access your... Okay, yeah, it looks like they finished. Alright, see, now this is what we gotta do. So you see your account details, overview, or whatever. And, see, name server details. Only if you host your own domain. So don't worry about the IP address. You don't need that. What you want to do is you want to take this, the whole thing, ns0100webhost.com. You're going to want to copy it. Then go back to .tk. And put this as name server 1. Then you're going to take their second one. ns0200webhost.com. Put it as their second one. Okay? And then, then you gotta put your email address. Use the same one as you use to register your account. And then you gotta do the verification for them also. I probably got one of those wrong because they had a 0 and a 1, or an I. Those can kind of get confusing. Okay. Then you gotta create an account, so your name is going to be your username, I'm pretty sure, so you might want to... Actually, no, I forgot. You can put your name as whatever you want. It doesn't really matter, because you're going to use your email address to sign in. Okay, just type in the password again. Computer's a little laggy because I use Camtasia to record, and it's a major software that takes up a lot of memory on the computer, so when you're running it, the computer tends to run slowly. Alright, .tk sent you an email, so I just gotta confirm the email. Alright, so we go to Gmail. Alright, let's take a few seconds. Okay, so you're gonna want to go to your Gmail. It may be in your spam because it was in my spam. It's according to what you use. So here we go. Here's the link. We just gotta click on that and type the code. Oh, they sent us a code. Oh, here it is. TK9, a bunch of numbers, whatever, 91 something. Paste that into there and confirm. Alright, there we go. We can close down this page now, okay, and we just can log in. Okay, so after you confirm it, you should get something like this, modify domain, you could change it or whatever. And like I said, nothing's going to show up for your website because it doesn't exist yet. Or I mean, it exists, but we haven't put any information in. Alright, so now we're going to be over here. So this is like all your information, your password and stuff will be down here. And we just press go. Alright, now this is like the main thing. It says your domain is not yet pointing to our server. It really is right now, but see, it says it takes 24 to 48 hours after you update it to remove this message, so, and actually, I think it takes like 15 minutes for it to point to the web server, so it might not even be linked yet. But anyway, we'll go to our file manager, and this is the password, the username they give you. You can't change it, but you just put in your password that you used to create the account with. There we have it. Do not upload here. You want to go to public.html. And you can see this default.php thing here. You could delete that. You don't need that. Okay. Submit. Okay, now we go back. And upload. And now, I want to browse. I saved it to my desktop as index. And oh yeah, your first page has to be named index.html. If it's not, you're gonna have problems. Okay, there's 2 indexes. Alright, there we go. And we will upload that. Has been transferred. Okay, it went successfully. Now we'll go back and we should see it. Yeah, there it is, index.html. Now let's check our website. It may not update yet because we did just create everything. It may take like 15. Up here it is. Oh, okay, it worked. This is just a silly little template that Dreamweaver has in their thing, so I just copied it. I don't really know what it is. I think it's like some kind of catalog. It looks to be at the cart or something like that. Yeah. So, we didn't create all these, so these wouldn't work. But there you have it. And up here, and there it is, testing123.tk. And this little number thing is something that the template Dreamweaver created. It won't be under your thing. You'll have an index or something. So there you have it. That is how you create your custom domain for free with .tk. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe, and I'll continue making them.